Rawr! Hello everyone, it's Miss Amy from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library. Do any of you love monsters? Maybe you love fuzzy ones or a scaly one or a spotted one, a spiky one, a curly one. There's so many different types of monsters, but they don't all have to be scary. Today, I have a really fun and easy monster craft that is sure to get your imagination flying. For this activity, all you're going to need is a blank piece of paper and some things to color with. Let's go make some DIY dot monsters. The first step might look kind of silly, but trust me, it's all part of the creative process. Cover your eyes and place approximately 15 dots all over your piece of paper at random. Now take a look at your paper. What kind of monster could this be? Next, the challenge is to connect all of the dots together to make the outline of your monster. You might not know what your monster will look like at the start, but as you connect the dots, you'll figure it out. You can use a straight edge for some spikes, or freehand other shape edges. I do recommend using a pencil, just in case you miss a dot and need to change a line. Once you're happy with your monster's outline, it's time to start decorating. Give your monster fur or scales, plaid or polka dots, one eye or 3 mouths, whatever you'd like. Does your monster fly? Maybe it needs feathers. Is it super cuddly? Might need some very soft hair. And what about camouflage? Better have lots of colors showing. Once you're finished decorating, be sure to name your monster. I think I'll call her Curls because her body is covered in them. What did your dot monsters end up looking like? They can look so weird. Thanks so much for crafting with us, everyone. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.